Or there we go.
Boom.
Appreciate that, bro. All right, let's see what we got in stores. I'm gonna pull up the the data calendar right now. Just let me just align this. All right, that's good enough. We can work off this. All right, let's see what the data has for us tomorrow. I don't think we got anything tomorrow. Let's see. The Federal Reserve speaker, PMI. Oh shit, Power speaks tomorrow. Nice. Okay. So 9:45. So that's not bad, 9:45. If we're in some swings, it gives us a chance to get out. All right, let's get to it. All right, so this is supply kind of area, lower supply area, because main supply for the highs on the Qs is over here. It is kind of mid-level. It is two red days. I think they're gonna hold this though. I think they're gonna hold above the nine like we've been doing. We've been holding the nine. So if anything, it'll probably fade down to 483, maybe 483.50 area. Let me see how that looks. Yeah. And then try to bounce it if we're opening red. Um, I do expect the green candle coming in sooner or later because they are obviously red ones. So we need a nice bull candle to rip. If we rip, we should go at least 489, almost 490, in my opinion, if it does hold the nine and we go above. So we got a little, if I'm not mistaken, is that a little gap down on that area, the back of the cues? Yeah, so I'm hoping we stay above this gap area off that bounce if it bounces above the nine. So I'm still bullish in the bigger picture. I expected this pullback. I'm glad it wasn't a big pullback, if you ask me. Those two red days wasn't really a big red day, if you ask me. I think the Bulls and Bears got fed, but I felt like the Bulls still held up, held on because, like I said, we still above that nine. Now we do got a 10 change on the MAC. We do look downside on the R side, so that's why I'm saying we gotta wait for confirmation price action around here, close to the 9 EMA. All right, so just be cautious of that. Other than that, I think we should still be pushing up. I mean, ER season just start, so we got to see how these banks do or whatever. But overall, I think we're gonna be good for the rest of the year. I think we should push higher. I don't think we pull back. Now, SPY looks a little bit scarier than Q's. I'll tell you guys right now why. Because it's already showing triple rejection, right? We got one, two, three on the RSI. So easy short will be 588. I'm sorry, 568.5. So I will watch that area to see how price reacts. If it flushes under that, then you could easily try to short it. Now you could try to take the high risk gamble and short it before 568 because I still believe that 570 level is an important level that we was talking about all week. 570. It was a big bounce area on SPY if you remember correctly. So if you do want to take a short on the 570, I would do it, but I wouldn't go heavy. I like scale in like one, maybe two, and then obviously if you lose 568, you could add. That would be my game plan on the shorts, all right? So just be cautious on the short. I don't know what Powell's gonna say. I don't know how the number's gonna come out, but just just be cautious because this definitely looks like we're gonna pull back a little bit. Just don't know if we're gonna go under the nine yet. We haven't been under the nine since what? Right here. When was this candle? Wednesday the 11th. All right. Let's talk about these chips. Um, okay, so you see AMD looks heavy, very heavy. So I expect AMD to drop to at least 160 this week. That's my thesis. Everything here is lining up. I had an alert here to go higher. Obviously, it didn't hit that. It rejected. Uh, AMD put in its first red day on Friday. and Nvidia put in two red days already. So AMD could be the lagger because look what Nvidia did. It already kissed the nine. So if I had to choose one, I'll pick AMD. It hasn't even touched the nine yet, so easier to short. It's a lot of EMAs here that NVIDIA needs to get through. But if NVIDIA does want to short, it's probably gonna go at least to 116, 115 again. It holds that area, we should be a nice shoulder entry. There's a big shoulder on the bigger picture of NVIDIA. So if it holds that, I will start thinking of going longs. But they look heavy. They don't look bullish in my opinion. All right, let's get to these names. I think I got like one or two puts on my list. Nothing crazy. So look, Microsoft bearish, very bearish. It's a downtrend. It's an active downtrend little sequence right now, if you ask me. All right, I was shorted under 425.70. Should be a good short op in my opinion. RSI snitched completely already. So there's nothing bullish about this. And the Mac as well. So there you go. That's one of the sevens that look weak. Apple doesn't look that bad, surprisingly. No, look, double bottom and trying to hold it. Yeah, I like this upside alert. I'll leave it there. Apple don't look, yeah, MACD looks decent. Apple don't look bad. Microsoft does, right? Amazon. I got some calls too, so it makes sense. I got some calls. I got like two puts. Amazon's kind of, yeah, yeah. See, these already lost their nine. This one lost their nine. So Amazon and Microsoft on the same vibe, both losing their nines. All right. So which one's telling the truth? Look at Google. Google on back. Google's holding the shoulder entry. This is the shoulders of the Google, and this is the head down here. So Google don't look bad above its highs on Fridays. Has to break that though. So Google looks good. I'm gonna put 60, 65, 60, go long. Amazon, like I said, kind of looks like Microsoft. Everything look RSI already since the downside. So you got to see what happens around 185, like 78 or 75, whatever you want. See what price does. It could bounce, but this is not too far from a bounce area. So it's either the ultimate reverse or it's either going to drop. But I don't think it's going to drop. If I was to play this, I would just wait till price gets around here and decide what I'm going to do. Next we got Meta, uh, Netflix, right? And then Tesla. And I think that's it. Okay. So Meta, still bullish. Wow. Meta is a horse right now. So I'm gonna keep this alert because obviously those 2 days didn't even go there. So if it does slice through there, it's definitely gonna go down to at least 555. So you could short it to 555, little $4, sorry, like $5 drop. So I'm gonna keep that downside alert, but it could definitely try to go up, but it's just too heavy on the top side of this supply area. Okay. This one, just because it gives me bullish and bearish, I'm gonna put two alerts. I gotta remember these levels. All right, so Meta looks bullish and bearish. All right. Netflix, right? Netflix come morning star tomorrow. Um, it's crazy if it does, because Friday I was telling the team the shit reversed around here. So if it morning starts tomorrow, that'll be crazy. Yep, it is at a buy area on the RSI. It just has to pivot exactly like this, and it'll be good to go. Let me see how this looks. Like they don't look too good, but yeah, as long as it stays above the nine, then it should morning star. So let's see what happens. Netflix don't look too bad. Longs above 7, 11, 15. Okay. And we do Tesla, and then that's it. I got all of them. Amazon. So, yeah. Oh man, Tesla. Wow. Tesla could keep going. Yeah. Bullish on Tesla, yeah. Oh fuck. I should have just said keep adding on the longs, keep adding on the longs on Tesla. Tesla looks like we're gonna go at least to this is definitely a level on Tesla 265. Then after that, it's gonna be 268. And then from there, it's probably gonna go higher, but very powerful on everything. MAC, RSI, even the daily candle is a strong one. So there you go. Tesla's winning right now. Out of all the sevens, Tesla looked the strongest. All right, let me get some names in. I got Dropbox. I got what else I got on this side? We got Dropbox. So what's the next one? Lumen. Let's see. Okay, so Dropbox, as you can see, we're breaking a big level here. Hold on. We gotta go all the way back, guys. I'm sorry. There we go. So this channel that has been stuck in for woof since April. Wow. It's probably gonna break finally, maybe. It has to get at least high 2470 range, I believe. So I want to see how that looks when I slide it to the left. Hold on, guys. Yeah. So basically, I'm aiming for a demand bounce around this range of Dropbox. You see, that area is where it rips from. So I'm gonna see how it reacts and holds there, hopefully. But it looks good to finally get the hell out of this range that has been for a long time, if you ask me. And it's slowly like pivoting up. Like this was a higher low, this was a higher low. We expect to go higher. So Dropbox looks good on everything too. Here looks good, and we look good here. Nothing looks weak to go down. So let's see. It might be a little ER pre-run up, maybe. I don't know. Let's see. Lumen just needs to break the top here, and we're going. Let's see how it looks here. Yes, we look good on the RSI team. MACD could be better, but not bad. Favor RSI anyway. So I'm watching Lumen crack 757 at least to see if we could continue upside. We got so an upward. Let me see. CLX. Okay, upward. Let me delete this. Lines on upward. There we go. Okay, this is like a big flag, right? Because look, after it gapped up here, it's been holding right here. So yeah, upward could work. Yep. Upward could work. All right, so draw a trend line. We're gonna draw this trend line, right? At least like this. So we're gonna obviously the candle's gonna come set itself around here. So we gotta imagine it, right? Right here is where it's gonna get entry. 1070. We're gonna watch 1070 on upward. All right. Another one that could possibly be a ER pre-run up. Clorox bouncing off the 21, double bottoming off actually the 21, which I like. Double bottoming here too. MACD did get a 10 change, but it's heavy on the downside, so we have to wait for confirmation. But this is the double bottom. The first one is here, there's a second one, and it's obviously respecting the 21. So Clorox, I'm gonna wait if we rip around here. Let's do 85, all right? ANF. We killed Gap, so let's see what retail's gonna be doing. See how A&F looks. Next, Hershey. Okay. So A and F. Ooh, A and F. This is almost a bullish engulfing. The only thing that effed it up was this tail. So I'm definitely gonna watch A and F tomorrow, guys. I'll watch some longs, 146, 10 crack. See what happens there. Hershey's, damn, entry would have been Thursday on Hershey's, right? So we're looking for day three green, hopefully, right? So Hershey's needs to bounce, in my opinion. Uh, let's do a 50, yeah, let's do a 50% retracement on this day too, and see what happens there around 192.50 on Hershey's. But yeah, we're kind of late on Hershey's, but you can still get in, I think. It's not too late if it gives us that wick around there, rips back up, because this is buy area where Hershey's still at. Right, so Hershey looks good. That looks good. BBW, BBW. Build a bear. Okay. Four payments. Four ship payment. All right. So BBW Morning Star, guys. High watch probably gonna be for BBW tomorrow. I don't know. Something's going on here. Something's going on with this stuffed bear. All right, look. We look good here. Definitely look good here. So yeah, watch me build a bear tomorrow, guys. Looks definitely prime to rip. Shift four payments. I like too. Bollinger Bands are opening up too. Kind of like Build-A-Bear, just not as clear. This is way more clear. We got a hammer candle, nice. Everything's bullish here. I like this one a lot. Looks like it's gonna rip the roof. So watch this one around 88.80. Okay. Next, Oxy. Yeah, we watching energy, guys. Big time this week. Watch energy. Oil energy, watch. All right. I got Oxy and I got MRO. I should have called MRO on Friday. Excuse me. I hesitated. That was my fault. As soon as I said oil was getting a bid in the chat, I was just staring at MRO and I was like, should I take these half calls right now? And fucking I didn't. And the half calls hit that day within the hour. So I apologize for that one. So this is double bottom, clear as day, right? Y'all see it. This one is a lower low, double bottom, but it still looks good. We just gotta wait till we get above the 9. So 51, let's do 51.65 on longs, right? And MRO, we should get a day two. I'm gonna put it right at the head of right at the highs of Friday, basically, the head of the candle. Let's see. If we could get that half entry, the 26 and a half again, that would be golden, but I got a feeling we're late. But let's see. But yeah, watch energy and electricity or oil names for sure. I'm only gonna watch these two for now. Obviously, if I see them going with strength, then I'll just start looking at every other ones, like Velo, whatever. Next we got HD. HD is the bear plate that I seen. Let's see how it looks on the chart. HD. I don't like it that it's bearish because I'm in an open swing, so it's kind of related. I got AbbVie. All right, so HD. Let's talk about it. Um, 3 red days. Let me see how this looks. Oh, wait a minute. It don't look that bad, actually. It could reverse out of these 3 red days. Because we got 3 red days, but not really a lot of downside activity, if you ask me, on HD. We got 3 red days of BS, if you ask me. So, you know what? It might be I'll put two. I'll watch it here. Upside, I'll put the upside alert on here. And then I'll put a downside alert. The easy downside is obviously the lows are like these candles. That would drop it at least two. 392. So that's not bad. 395 to 392. That's the strike price right there, 392. So it'll work. All right. I don't know. The chances of putting in a fourth red candle, you know how it is. It gets slim to none. So just be cautious of the side you pick on HT if you play that. Bullish on Abby though. Oof. This one. ANF and Abby's probably gonna be my top ones tomorrow. ANF and Abby. All right. With Tesla, because I like Tesla a lot. So Abby, two green days, crazy Friday move. Yeah, it's probably time to bounce. And it just bounced off the Bollinger kind of on Thursday, so this should be a good long around here. Let's see, Abby around 190, about 200 calls might be the one this week. I think I'm almost done, gang. 1 second. I got one more. Let me verify. Yeah, I got a health name. One of my favorites. Let's see how Merck looks. So Merck was getting sold off. And we in Pfizer swing already, so. Oh, yes, I want Merck tomorrow. Hopefully this candle's real and we bounce from here. This is super buy zone. I'm gonna wait till we get right here. All right, that's it, gang. That's all I got. Any names, throw them at me so I can catch it.
Yo, I got Schlumberger and I think CVX.
That's
Is that the
fucking
one?
hilarious. I had that as well, climbing.
Yes.
Yo, I was gonna bring Oxy to the table too, bro. We're all on the
Yeah,
same oil tip this time. It's one of those
yeah.
anomalies again, bro.
I
Yeah,
got CVX, I got Oxy with the star, and I got SLB for a swing.
SLV silver. All right, I like
Yeah,
both of them climbing.
yeah, Schlumberger. Yeah, with climbing called.
All right, so we on the same page. All right, I got it. I'll set
Yeah,
the
you mentioned energy. I was like, hell yeah. And I see you're on the consumer staples. XLP is
yeah.
going crazy.
All right, I like all of those. All right, all right, all right, all right. That's it. That's it. We good? Nice and
That's
short.
all I got right now. I was
I
just
just
looking at
got BA
sectors.
again. That's
BA
it.
again. All right, let me see BA.
Mm-hmm.
Let me see
It's the
BA.
first of the month, and it's
Oh yeah,
just
yeah,
me.
yeah. I'm gonna keep that alert there right there on EBA. All right.
Oxel Labu for red.
Which one?
Oh yeah, talks on the blue.
Soxel Labu for red.
Thank you,
That's
thank
on
you.
the move. All right, let me check.
Oh, another one is CrowdStrike. Seats already
Keeps
in the
in the
swing.
300s, right? Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, Sox
CrowdStrike.
high heavy. Sox looks heavy. I'm not
Yeah.
gonna lie.
Super heavy.
Labu. Oh my God. I think they're gonna bless Labu with a green day. God damn, I got red eye. Dang, bro. Yeah,
Red
gotta be a green day.
Bang, bang.
Yeah, watch health tomorrow too. Yeah, yeah, it should go up. CrowdStrike, right? That's what he said. Let me
Yeah.
check.
Yeah, CrowdStrike.
All right, let me
That's
check.
on my list too. It's on my hit list.
Let's see, CrowdStrike. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Nice. Damn, he got in right at the bounce of the 50 or 200, almost both of them, and the nine. Nice. I like it. Good swing on that one, Seaford. All right, we got some names.
Hey
Let's
Cam, got a couple more for you, bro.
go.
Avivi though too was a top watch for me based off what I saw. So we were like locked in on that.
Mm,
Check out these two. These in my opinion, these are Chinese plays and this fucking China shit's going off the rails and we're like
Mm.
missing 10,000% fucking option run. So Win and SCCO. Win has a lot of Chinese exposure and SCCO, I'm
Top.
thinking there's a
Ooh,
lot of this fucking
damn.
if you look at SCCO on the if you look at the Chinese fucking stimulus package, it's a lot of real estate shit. So they're gonna need a lot of copper and wiring for their fucking homes like they're gonna be building.
Okay,
So I think it's another reason why cat and deer are starting to go the fuck off. I think
okay.
this China stimulus is starting to like move into a lot of our construction shit and material shit. I think materials are gonna start going the fuck off.
Okay.
So
Go for the-
but that's also like climbing. Check out LVS. Those two have a lot of fucking China exposure. So you watch Win and LVS, and those charts are like fucking hot.
Yeah,
Interesting. Oh hell. Oh wow. Yeah. LDS is fucking crazy.
yeah,
And it's not like DraftKings or fucking MGM or Madison Square Garden or Penn or any of these things are going off. These are the two that have the exposure. So
Interesting.
might get a little piece of something here. I mean, they're hot as shit, but I mean, look at the volume on Win. That's
yeah.
insane. And look at the candle formation and the volume on Win, and like the MACD and RSA just looks. It's like I don't know. Might as well just lotto it and say fuck it. Who cares?
Right? See if it fucking. I mean, that's gotta be a
Of
bull
course,
cross right
China
there.
loves to gamble. Genius.
Well,
Yeah,
and they just got the best news for their economy that they've had in years.
yeah. That's that Monaco shit. They have like exposure. There's some fucking casinos that are super close to the Chinese mainland that a lot of the fucking rich Shanghai people go to, and these two guys own it basically. So
Interesting.
Mm.
then on the bear side for you guys, DRV and VIX. So the VIX got supposedly by the other fucking by NASA and that team, they're screaming about these November calls. And DRV is bearish real estate, which kind of coincides with your bearish feeling on Home Depot, Cam.
Uh,
So DRV
XLRE as a whole
crazy swing.
looks like it's about to top out as well.
yeah. All right.
Yeah. So I'm looking at these VIX November calls like past the election for like a long-term swing, like a 6, 8 week swing, like
Okay.
that the 20s, I think, or whatever that I think it's like yeah, that 2025 level or something like that. Something
Okay.
pretty high out there, but
Oh,
have some insurance because this VIX now is screaming that it might have another pop. May not go that high, but it looks like it wants to start a pop.
Yeah. Okay.
you probably want to play UVX white calls, Lonnie.
Is
You
that
get more
like
bang for your
better?
buck.
Okay. And that's another thing too, is like last time in August we got swept into this fucking IV shit. So I want to be on my guard and like play actually the fucking VIX and UVXs because I think they're gonna be moving better. So I remember that August time when we had all the IV in the market. I was buying shorts and even the shorts were fucking losing as the whole market was going down because the IV was just so fucked up.
Mm,
So
yeah, I remember.
so UVXy, huh? Is better, you think?
Yeah, yeah, Uvixia, apparently it's the way that it's designed is just more bang for your buck based on
Okay.
just, yeah.
Perfect. All right, yeah, I'll look at those then instead of the VIXs.
Uh,
Appreciate that.
Yeah,
But
this could be
yeah,
the
maybe like
sell-off to
yeah,
lead to the Christmas rally, right?
yeah, exactly. I think I'm gonna get like maybe a week or two. I'll let you guys know. I'm gonna get him tomorrow. 'Cause based off this daily, I got to get him tomorrow. So probably like a week or two after the election and just have that as a hedge. Because I'm thinking that the election and maybe post after that might be a little fireworky.
copy.
Given our history over the last, I don't know, 4 to 8 years since I've been in the markets, it's been a little wacky, huh? World affairs, politics and shit have been a little wacky. So,
Yeah.
wow. Yeah, a couple assassination attempts, couple world wars, fucking the Middle East on fire, couple
Stagnation, you know.
couple territorial World War I fucking breakouts in Eastern Europe, just as a history teacher, I think maybe something might be happening November-ish. So, and the Vixie's kind of like, tell me if something might happen. So,
All
I'll
right.
take
Cool.
that. Shit.
any excuse for them to pull the fucking rug, man.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
All right. Let's just try to, I guess, be ready. We'll be there. Don't worry.
yeah, for sure, for
All
sure. I'll take
right.
this up, down, sideways. Fucking Willy Wonka glass elevator. I'll fucking take this thing.
Let's get
Mm, the Walk Invader.
catch y'all in the morning then, gang. Yeah, let's try to
All
keep
right.
the same week we had last week. God willing. Let's get it.
Let's go.
Oh yeah.
Get it, gang.
So,
All right.
geez, man.
Oh yeah, last day of the quarter too tomorrow, everybody. So that'll be a very interesting moment.
Yep, yep, yep.
Be positioned for a fourth quarter Santa Claus rally
Mhm.
Yep. Exactly.
after we get through the election.
Yep. If we can get through the election. Shit.
Yeah, if we get through the election, yeah, exactly.
Mhm.
All right, guys.
That's tough. All right, y'all. Take it
All right,
easy.
easy, gang. All right.
Thanks, man. Appreciate it, man.
Peace.
Of course, man. Have a good one.
All right, good.
Later.